Welcome back to another video, you guys. It's your boy Hafil. Today we're in the inner city community of, it's called Tuxedo here in Calgary. So we got a full-on demolition site happening. There's two houses. It's completely gone. So I'm here with the builder Manny from Good Earth Builders. I'm going to be asking certain questions about timelines to get to this demo stage. What stuff that you have to look for, the cost involved. So over here, it's about 70-foot lot. Let me check. How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good. So how big is this lot, by the way?
This is 75 by 120.
75 by 120, and you guys are building how many units?
We're building 6 plots, 6 plus 6, total like 12.
Guys, that's quite dangerous. We don't have our safety hat. It's such a nice sight to watch. Tearing down houses, one of my favorite parts. Now, in terms of demolition, what's the permits like? What's the timeline like to get to the stage? Number one, and what's the cost involved in this?
Demo permits usually take like about 2 to 3 months. Actually, the city doesn't take that much time. It's the disconnection. So disconnection nowadays, like actually a little behind. They take like about 2.5 months. That's why the demo permit takes like about 3 months right now.
Gotcha.
And the cost is like basically if you have an asbestos in it, so anywhere from 12,000 to 15,000, you need to get that removed. And then the demolition, like they will cost you about like between 20 to 25.
That's per house, right?
That's per house.
So about, as you said, asbestos remediation eats up quite a bit of the cost. This way around, yeah.
Yeah, so you need to get a test before you get the demo permit, right? If it comes positive, which is like most probably any house for 80, like then you're not gonna have that stuff protected. And then you have to get the move like this before they
So roughly around 35,000 is coming from the cost for investors and the tear down of the property, guys. Now, in terms of timeline, so once the demolition, it's pretty much site ready, right? So you have the permits done, all the disconnects stuff completely taken off, the gas, water, and electricity to do the demolition. So right now, from foundation to the finishing, what timeline are you seeing for the full build?
So full build, like we're getting right now 6 to 8 months. Depends when we start. Before our timelines are a little bit like longer, which was like about 8 to like 12 months. But now as we have like very good team, so the previous project we done within a like timeline within a 6 weeks.
So that's pretty much it, guys. Now, if you guys have more questions about this entire process for including CMSM like new builds, etc., Manny's an expert. They have 20 plus projects across city of Calgary here. And yeah, if you do have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.